James Moltrace, and we are playing some Mons. Nice. Nice. He might think I'm banded or something, so I can switch out no matter what. This is a fun meta game to me right now. More fun than OU. For certain. I found the game pretty fast, quicker than I thought I would. It's been taking me a while. But I'm happy about that. Fight in dark. I don't know what he's doing. Acrobatics isn't stab. Adaptability, close combat. I'm -1 now, though. I made this team, by the way. I don't know how good it is. I have so many ideas for camomons. I played a little. What was the OM last month? I played a little. What is it? Inheritance. That was a lot of fun too. Like definitely more fun than OE right now. I might play some national decks too, just to play with the broken mons. That's always fun. Gonna do 31%. Should I save this? It's gonna do a lot. It's not that much, but I'll take it. Bug steel. All SD. It is my favorite move after all. Hitting hard. Oof. Don't think it mattered. +2 stab life orb. I very much don't think it mattered. Quick attack on this thing. Yeah, I made this team. Steel flying. I don't know what he's gonna do. Life orb, knew it. Steel flying. It's a good type. That's a good type. I would never be that creative. Whew. Take it. I meant to click recover. I promise. Skarmory's ground type. No. Oh my goodness. That's fun. That's really fun. Bandit knockoff though. Into bandit knockoff. Incoming para on the bullet punch. Oh, Mach punch. He had bullet punch and Mach punch, right? Yeah. Clutch. Water dragon. It's okay. Ooh. a body press. Yikes. Oh, man. Who could have ever seen that coming? Finally, a little bit of luck. Give me up to 32, right? Yes. No. I don't think he has that and a what's it called? A priority move. That's the hope at least. Going forever. He's only +2, so just hope it's not like Mach Punch or something. I don't know what Mew learns, to be honest. It's Bandit and it's on the grass, so no way. Zammer is indeed Rockfire. Still gonna knock it out, I think. Zammer is indeed Sash. That was a nice little dub. That was a lot of fun figuring it out. So let's go a little bit further. That was a lot of fun. That was just one battle, and to be honest, I started recording, but then I realized it wasn't on. So then I just anyway. If he leads out with not Russian Ram, me and Shao, and he tries to I forgot to turn on D&D. But so ignore my phone's virus. If he leaves out Russian Ram, then Ghost Blissey will be good. Right? He doesn't have Scrappy. Dragon Fire. Maybe I should put a phase move on Skarm, to be honest. Because this is like the second time I've been set up on. I don't think I've lost yet, but I do think a phase move for Brave Bird, I guess. And just hope nobody else Razor shows me. Whirlwind. He's waiting on you. Oh, I know. I know he is. Rocks up. Wow. That stab really helps on a weak mind. Where's my para? The whole sword, I mean. Where's my para? This whole sword, I have not got a para. Dragon Fire, Earthquake. Oh, he has bulk up. Exactly. Seeing how much that Shadow Ball did from a Blissey, I know for a fact that this is gonna knock it out unless me and Shao has good. Oh, what have I done? Have I done the right thing? 339. I don't know if I've done the right thing. I actually don't know. I keep forgetting it was bulk up and not like Dragon Dance or something. I literally have no idea if this knocks out at all. I mean, there's always para chance. Maybe I'll finally get para chance. I'm pretty sure this doesn't knock out. It is +2, so it basically resists. Basically, my ability isn't there, and it's faster anyway. broken ability is a broken ability. Vanillux, probably think I'm Bandit. He's ice and water, though. He's gonna Veil. Might as well take it with me, I guess. I don't know if that was the right play at all, to be honest, but run up when you see me, then you gonna see. Thought so. Normal fire. It's a speed tie. Normal fire. Let's win the speed tie. No. No. Yes. What? I'm guessing he's got flamethrower or something. What should I do? Skarmory probably won't die to anything he has, considering he's not steel anymore. So maybe I shouldn't just throw this away, because nah, I don't know. I don't know if anything he'll do. Yeah. Oof. Except for Boom Burst. Does he also have Drain Punch? I didn't even notice the throw spray because playing on Showdown. If I would have knocked off his throw spray, then maybe he would have lived that, but I don't know. Doesn't matter. He could have Boom Bursted next turn. I don't know if Dark helps me type-wise in the game. I think it does. Slowmo'o. Rock and Ground. I don't think he can take me to Sash. Yeah. So Veil's not there. Psychic on a Necrozma. Oof. Tough crowd. Oof. Give it up, homie. Bro, give it up. Oh my gosh. Wow, come on. He just left the building. He just left his laptop. Well, back for more we go. A little bit of there we go. What stopped him from doing that last turn? Let's see. That was a long search, by the way. Maybe I should leave it, but I ain't finna. Healthy. No. I mean, helped out by the meteor beam miss, but I only have 290. I don't know what meteor beam's percentage is, but I only have 290% moves on my team, so well played by that guy. Maybe I should have left that search up. That was a good game. Having a fantastic time. The games are just fun. They're really keeping me on the tip of my toes. Rillaboom looks good in theory here, but we don't know. It's a deck shuffle. Crawdon looks good, and I've been liking how he's been operating so far. Flying, fighting. Huh. I don't know what he's gonna do. U-turn. Yeah, should have SD'd. But hey, Corviknight's got free damage on it. Like I'm guessing he's a heavy ass body press type of fella. That's why he has the flying type. This fella. That's my best pal. Does he got no, I'm sorry about that. Never mind. Fighting dark. Tip my hand. Very nice. Saw it coming. This thing is a problem, so I think I'll hold on to it. But this thing in front of it can't do anything, so I'll spike up. Because I'm guessing he's going to U-turn. He roosted. I'll roost up too. In case he switches into the thing that can handle this and tips his hand. What you got here for me? I can't even see this guy's name, but he's like, this Scarabing is a problem, which I just noticed 5 seconds ago too, so hopefully I get his 30 up. Maybe I don't know. He gets his 30 up, and then from there, it'll be smooth sailing. I didn't even know that was inactivity. Okay, one last game. That was taking forever. One last game. Let's see what Scholar P can be about. Steel Electric. Unlucky. SD up. What? Oh, he has I'm sorry about that. That's my fault. He has what am I talking about? He has Levitate, of course. My stupid ass. Huh. All right. I need to slow down a little bit. Whoa. Solar P things. That's very important, by the way. Crit flinch, crit flinch. Well, flinch literally doesn't matter, but I still got it. It mattered. I'm thinking Rillaboom looks good. Bandit's looking good. I don't know if he has any grass resists. This is gone forever. No idea what I am. I don't know if Ninetales probably can survive. I don't know. I'm on terrain too, so probably not. Ninetales probably can't survive a bandit on terrain. Am I adamant? No, I'm jolly, as I should be. Oh, I knew it. Scarm still has its... Adamant would have killed. Scarm still has its... Sturdy. Ghost Fairy, huh? What you gonna do against the Mystic Fire? Mystic Fire? Mystic Water Aqua Jet. Silly fella. He can probably survive the next one. I don't know why he wouldn't attack me. He had the... I guess he had the Focus Sash, but he had the Ice Electric. I'm +2 Aqua Jet in this Porygon, so... Going forever, of course. Nice. Blissy's good, right? Blissey and the Rillaboom's good. If he plots up, I still got Rillaboom and I still got Shadow Ball. What's this thing? Normal Dark. Hands up and wave. Wave. Oh. This thing had no speed on it, right? Oh, it's just not fast at all to begin with. I'm guessing it has Sucker Punch. Rillaboom's faster. Is it faster? 289 cut in half. 145. Right? Yes. And Rillaboom 295. Cut in the third is 200 basically. Man, I resist it. I don't resist normal move. What should I do? Zammer. Because he can... Oh, I resist... I don't resist it. I'm neutral. And I probably... Oh, it didn't even... Oh, man. Mega Kick. Nice. Well... Reuniclus. Uh-oh. Good thing I got phase move. Uh-oh. Nice. This is difficult. Is it? Is it? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Got a minute and 20 seconds left to think. All right, what do I do? Do I sack Zam? Do I sack this? I definitely don't sack this. I think I got to sack Zam. Oh, nice. Oh, man. No. Come on. Come on. I might have done it. I might have done it. It might be too late. It might be too late. Come on. Get a crit. Get a crit. Get a crit. I won. I think I won. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. All right, let me get a fucking like and a subscribe for that one. If I get fucking 10 likes on this, I will definitely be re-uploading within the week. I had a lot of fun, so if you have fun watching, then please let me know. That's a quick 3-0. 4-0, actually. All right. Seacrest out.